Hello, good morning, students. Today's transcription number 219 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. Mr. Deputy Chairman, while speaking on the appropriation bill, I would like to discuss a little disparity in the matter of the distribution of the allocations to the different states. Sir, there are many backward states in this country, including Assam. Generally, the allocation of the central grants for all these states is not, I submit, in proportion to the needs or according to the income of the particular state. The government of Assam has in its present budget shown a deficit of nearly rupees 30 crores, and it has also been stated that it is not possible to collect this amount within the state itself by additional taxation or otherwise. As a matter of fact, the government of Assam has been complaining to the center about the inadequacy or rather the disproportion in the grants made from the income tax collected from the resources in Assam and from the excise duties on tea, jute, etc., as well as on petroleum. Sir, until some more adequate finances are made available to that state from the resources of the state itself, this deficit will go on and the development of this state would be hampered. It is time something was done because it has been accepted as a principle that we should devote a little more attention towards the development of the backward people and the backward areas. Assam is one of the most backward areas. It is almost the most backward area, and I think in the matter of giving finances, the government of India should give a little more money for the development of that state. That state is backward in many respects. We have to see that this disparity that is there in this country and which is widening in certain places is removed as early as possible and to bring in more industrialization of the backward places. Assam being one such backward state, there should be more consideration given to it. Then there is the question of communications in the state of Assam. Some attempts have been made for developing communications in that state, but no industrialist has yet been tempted to come to that state to start an industrial undertaking and take advantage of the immense natural resources of that state and utilize them for the benefit of that state and for that of the whole country. So, the development of communications is another important factor.